Up north, 400 kilometers away from Manila, is the small fishing town of Caoayan, Ilocos Sur. Known by the Ilocanos for its beautiful black sand beaches, hand-woven Abel Iloco textile, and the budding clam industry of Rosangs. Swim, surf, and sunbathe with locals in Choco Surf Point. Lounge and unwind by the pool in NSCC or Seraphim's in Cherubims. Harvest for your own food in Pinakbet Farm, a restaurant that features the Ilocano dish Pinakbet. Practice your Kamayan skills in Ihawan sa Caoayan, the first Budol 5-themed restaurant in Caoayan. As you partake in gastronomic Ilocano dishes and picturesque places, you can also take a peek at how Abel Iloco is made, the famed Ilocano hand-woven textile. Experience weaving the same way it has been done centuries ago when you visit Pagabelan ni Tinay in Caoayan, Ilocos Sur. This traditional hand-woven textile is a symbol for the grandeur and artistry of Ilocanos. Caoayan is known to be the home of cantarines or plain weaves that are characterized for its vertical lines, depicting the strength and stature of the town's namesake, bamboo. Thriving along the estuaries of Caoayan, Ilocos Sur are tiny clams called rosangis. This industry started as an initiative to help barangays who aren't Abel Iloco weavers. These tiny clams are abundant in Ferte, Ilocos Sur and are the main ingredient to many of Ilocos Sur's culinary dishes. Enjoy a scenic boat ride and see how they collect these clams, or take a dip in the waters of two of Caoayan's Virgin Islands, Poro and Snake. On your way back, pass by Villamar and see Ilocos Sur's biggest mangroves plantation. Agpa is Ilocano for going. AgpaCaoayan ka is an invitation to come to Caoayan. AgpaCaoayan ka to experience firsthand the living traditions of Abel Iloco and Rosangs. AgpaCaoayan ka to support these industries flourish and grow for many more generations to experience. AgpaCaoayan ka to see for yourself the town weaved together by the colorful history of Abel Iloco. Strong, beautiful, and intricate like its intertwined threads that will forever withstand time. AgpaCaoayan ka to see the smiles of everyone in Caoayan, Ilocos Sur waiting for you.